Good morning. This super quick tutorial will show you how to convert a Google Doc into a Word document in case you need to do that to submit to SafeAssign. So open up the document in Google Docs and go to File, Download As, choose Microsoft Word. You'll see down here in the corner it is opening. Once it stops flashing, you should be able to open the document. Click Enable Editing, File, and then you're going to save as whatever your document name needs to be. Make sure that you save it in a place where you can find it. And then you can go into your course and find your SafeAssign link and browse My Computer and then choose the Word document that you just saved. And you'll be able to see that it's been attached and hit submit and you're done. So it really only takes a few seconds to convert from Google Drive into Word and vice versa. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, of course, let me know.